Hello everyone, my name is Taro Honso. Today I'll show you how to use Felo's at feature. With at, you can make sure messages get delivered to specified persons. Accurately locate the specified messages. Scenes. In case, a team leader can assign different tasks to different people by at them individually. Group members can at the entire group when they initiate a temporary video conference. The group members receive the notification and can prepare accordingly. How to use it? Enter a existing group, enter a message during which enter the relevant person after at, and then click send. For the person who receives the message, no matter what the user is currently doing, a notification window will pop up. In the conversation list page, the group that are at has a red at button displayed behind the group name. Inside the group, you can click the small notification window containing at in the lower right corner, and you can quickly be navigated to the important message. By making good use of the at feature, you can make sure group members don't miss important messages.